Wallaby Ibrahim. Abasifreke Ethiong as action kickstarts. Ace WARRI Wolves that puts us on the way this evening here. Abasifreke Ethiong Wolves are enjoying themselves with the ball. Laser passing goes wide. Save for Isaac. Making good use of his eyes. Subline pass. A Mokuriel one for that matter. Isaac Xavier. Great pass. A chance there. Skizliakban squares it in. Gideon Monday. Lost it as Sahid again with the cross. The goalkeeper. Calmly captured it. Well stopped by Abraham. Michael, the whistle goes. Michael strikes! Albin decide the best option is to punch it. And out he goes for a corner. Didn't take much step backward there. Had to. Miller for Kinsley Akpan. It's very happy in playing time here. The Lions Gideon Monday. He's successful in this one. Pepsane! Oh, great effort, but he wasn't much to engage the goalkeeper. He will finally referee grants him access. He sends an onslaught in ahead. Not. They held it there. A chance. Nice performance. Sahid counts his steps. Sends it in. A tricky one. Barak again. Barak Emmanuel trying to drive in. Yes, he does successfully. Lays across. He shoots them there. It's not a penalty. Oh, it is. Center referee Chibundo Sonny awards the visitor a penalty. After he claimed it was the whistle. The whistle goes. Albin Narakuche. Okay, Shedrak. Takes 8! Calmly slotted in there. After 33 minutes of play, something finally separates both sides. The Eket Stadium. The visitors are trailing the Lions. David that gives him a helping hand. There he shoots up there! Great strike! Absolutely sensational from that range. David Edet with a magnificent strike. The goalkeeper is down. The shot was much for him to control carefully. Whistle goes. He shoots him there. Oh, he goes wide. Nice attempt. Sun bench. Sir number 10, Michael. Michael is in the 18-yard box. Shoots from there. Albin had already caught Oracle. Sports Kinsley Akman again. The pass is sublime. Basi Odiong sends it! This will be a penalty! Right before the very eyes of the referee. It has to be a penalty! But the referee points at the corner axis. Can you believe this? A professional referee. Can you believe this? The unthinkable unfolding before our very eyes. Unprofessionalism in Nigerian football in the referee association. Just tournaments. He resumes action. It's not a new thing. The Lions has been facing this. This has been ongoing for the past 3 seasons now. Xavier Isaac, Gideon Monday, lays his sublime. Sahid in the 18-yard box, sends across. Upala shoots! It's been deflected. Izuchiku. Lines it there. Oh, gives the ball away! That would have been another goal. Oh, been played. Aloy Felix. Squares 8 sublimely. Saeed with a jump, but couldn't get it. Xavier Isaac. Lungbul Athul there. With a number 19 jersey. He's successful there. Gideon sends the shape. Saeed with a strike. And it ends. There we go, kick. Saeed just needed to keep it down. Malik. Bakary Manuel sends the ball in. It goes over the back. Dion pushes up front. Penetrating gradually. Takes a shot! Nice idea. Excellent strike. A terrific one, which I've seen the goalkeeper, Jockey Efe, lying helplessly there. Gideon has gotten to the ball. Let's see what he does. He knows how to drive. He's penetrating, gets into the 18-yard box. He goes down. Oh, referee does nothing about that one. Chance in the box. Aloy Felix. Oh, the tough. Aloy Felix does that successfully.
All the way. And I did ask a question as well about refereeing. Referees should be able to resist any sort of temptations that they have. The IMC, unfortunately, not really flowing down into the lower cadre. We have seen some significant strides in terms of cautioning referees on how they behave and how biased the officiating is. Maybe it hasn't really trickled down to the NNL, because what we saw here today, Donald, it was an eyesore of the highest proportion, and that's how we can analyze it. VFC, though, did have their chances. Knowing how very important this is, the fans who are here at the stadium would know that Vandrezzer FC, the players did put in a lot of momentum, especially in the dying minutes of the game. A draw would have still been, of course, something of commendation, because we don't know what the other two games would hold. But largely, this game, which was supposed to be a beautiful game, was marred by biased officiating and desperation, of course, from all sides that we have seen from Warri Wolves, who at some point, one of the officials went to the referee and asked him to give only 2 minutes.